pull it up and see how much water in the hole. See, that's not going to work. All this clay, and we put some topsoil in there, and that wasn't going to work either. So we got some dirt to put in here. We're going to dig all this out, and we're going to add some good dirt, and we're going to put this back in there. See how the roots is coming loose? That was going to kill that plant with all this clay and water. So I'm showing you how to transfer a clay. When you got a clay yard, what you do is you get compost and you get mulch and some dirt somewhere else out of your yard to get this constant. You don't want it to look like this because it's going to rot your roots. Look at the roots. We just did this about 4 days ago, and we don't want that to happen to these plants. These plants cost a lot of money. All right, we're going to put dirt at the bottom. Dirt, we're going to put it down at the bottom. And I think that's enough, Kelly. I'm going to put some on the side, Kelly. She's going to put some on the side. She's going to chop that in. That's some good dirt. Chop that in just like that. Okay. And then she's going to put this plant back inside. Okay. Go all the way down. Then she's going to add more dirt, good dirt, around to the sides of it. Let's put the deeper plant on it. Let's go real tall. So put some more dirt all the way around it. So we have a chance to put a hole to the roots. I got this dirt from my house, and this is really good field dirt. That's really good for this. Put it all in there. So we're gonna make sure that it's all around the side, just like this. Okay. Once you finish that, she's gonna pack it down. And then she's gonna put a mulch. I'm gonna put there. Make sure it's all tight in there. It is. Just gonna mulch it. And the mulch all around. Remember, we put dirt, clean out that dirt, all that clay, and then we're gonna put mulch. Mulch it all the way around. And then we're gonna use and mix them out with the compost. She's a hard-working girl. She has a beautiful, beautiful yard. The compost. She with around the mulch. Just like that. Keep that. And the mulch is what? Kind of grainy, Kelly?
The compost is really grainy.
It's really grainy, and that's what we need, something heavy. And the dirt is heavy, too. So that's going to help a whole lot. And that's going to help this plant survive. And that's it, y'all. As simple as ABC, how to plant some scrubs in a clay area. And this is the plant. Let me hold it up, y'all. This is the plant right here. That's the name of it. Sweet olive. It's a shrub. This is Sandy. I want to tell you thank you for watching.